Learn how to do a silk press at home and have it last 3 weeks or more. Like in this video, this is 3-week-old hair. I have the perfect step-by-step tutorial for y'all. I'm helping you save coins, so let's go.
You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, EISHATAYLORE. Okay, like I said in the intro, step-by-step tutorial. All products will be listed in the description bar, so be sure to check that out. Step 1 is to shampoo your hair up to 3 times with a clarifying or a moisturizing shampoo. The Mizani one that I used here is a smoothing moisturizing shampoo which smooths my cuticles. Step 2 is to follow with a conditioner. Again, I use the Mizani smoothing conditioner. Step 3 is what you see me doing here, which is a moisturizing hair mask. I am putting a lot of deep conditioner on my hair to make sure that it's super hydrated before the blow drying process. So I did steam my hair for 20 minutes and my final rinse was cool water to seal in my cuticles before blow drying.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma.
Step 4 is to apply a leave-in, heat protectant, and a serum. There are products that are all in one. In this case, I'm using a thermal hair cream and a serum, which is part of the Mizani Thermal Protection Collection. I'm applying that on damp hair, and you're going to see me twist each section and roll it to make sure I lock in that moisture. This step is very important because there are times when I did not twist and roll my sections, and my hair air dried naturally and it didn't have that stretch factor. So twisting and rolling each section after applying your products helps you have an easier blow dry process.
Day, babe, I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean.
Step 5 is to blow dry. I am using an ion ceramic thermal brush. Not all paddle brushes are created equal, so definitely get your hands on this one. And I'm using my blow dryer with a concentrated nozzle. It does look like the Dyson, but it is not. It's from Amazon, child. But I do recommend if you have a paddle brush blow dryer to use that as well. I just didn't know where it was at the time, but I definitely like that blow dryer better. But the key to having a really good blow dry is to pull and have tension. Brush under and pull. Just think of tension when blow drying.
But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well.
And when you're done with blow drying your whole head, you're going to go back over the whole head and blow dry in different sections. They do this at the salon, if you ever realize it, is that they make sure that your hair is thoroughly dry. You have to remove all the moisture when you're doing a silk press or your hair will just revert. So this is also very key, is to blow dry it in every direction and get it as smooth and dry as possible. Step 6 is to flat iron. I'm using the Infinity Pro titanium plates on 410 degrees. I do prefer using ceramic plates, which is by Chi. You can use that as well. And for the chase method, you can use an ion brush again or a comb. I do tap my roots about 2 to 3 times just because that's the kinkiest part of my hair. And then I use the brush as my form of the chase method, and I only do 1 pass. When you have a really good blow dry session, you only need 1 pass. I wouldn't recommend doing more than 1, especially with titanium plates. If you have a ceramic flat iron, you could maybe do 2 passes, but I only do 1.
Low, I go low too, but you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress and gone. Flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight, retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here.
Step 7 is to apply a little bit of your serum at the ends of your hair and the remaining serum at the top of your hair to just get rid of any flyaways. And then you're going to seal that in with your blow dryer on medium to high heat, just blow drying down. I learned this technique at my hair salon. She does this and I see a tremendous difference with how long lasting this silk press lasts. And I have done my silk press before and I did not do this step and my hair reverted right back. So I do really think that adding a serum and blow drying it in and locking in that silkiness and that moisture really plays a big part.
Control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on.
If you like your hair bone straight, then you can skip this step, but I like some curls in my hair. So I'm going to be using my curler and a hairspray to lock it in. So I'm just going to form some curls and then grab that curl and form a pin curl just to lock it in and sleep it in overnight. And then we'll do the big reveal in the morning.
I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here.
Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
So I apologize in advance for the horrible lighting. Obviously the sun is behind me when I should be in front of it, whatever. I do have a video already up on my channel of how I maintain my silk press. There are different ways to wear your hair, pin curls, curlers, roller sets, etc. So you go ahead and check that out. But this is my preferred method, pin curls and a roller. And this is how it came out. Again, I was actually rushing to get out the door, so I apologize for this horrible lighting. But just look how silky it is. My silk press actually lasted 3 weeks, which is awesome for my type of hair and having to wash every week, but it came out so good. I hope that these steps and routine helped you. Definitely share this video and write down every step by step because these steps are golden, okay? So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.